Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today we're going to announce the winners from a video I had a couple days ago, maybe a week ago. It was kind of hidden at the end of the video because it kind of came to me halfway through, so I didn't put a lot of emphasis on it at the beginning. So for the lovely people who stayed to the end, they got this little bonus to enter to win my letters by just typing in "I love letters, I love your letters," something about loving letters. And so I knew which people stayed to the end, so they got a little bit more chance to be rewarded than somebody who just in the beginning says freebie and puts it on there. So I have two envelopes left from a previous giveaway, and like this is the sample. Here's the other one here. So it was 20 letters, and then I threw in a couple bonuses, a couple whale tails I had cut out, and a couple of my make your own labels that's on a freebie that I've already stamped. So they are going to go to some people, and I got a second one in here. Both have, they're just in cards, so you can actually use the cards because they're blank too, which is fun. So I'm going to post the video of me drawing the two winners. All right, so we're going to go to the YouTube comment picker. I'm going to put in the YouTube video and change the number of winners to 2 since I have 2 envelopes, and I get to change, add some text that says letters, because that was what I asked everyone to do. Say "I love letters," and we're gonna do the pick. And the winners are Leslie Spears 2739 and Sandy Peppers 6861. Congratulations to both of you. Information will be listed below on how you can send me your address. Okay, so congratulations to Sandy Peppers 6861 and Leslie Spears 2739. Both of you have won the envelopes. Down in the comments, I'm going to put down the email to send to my Sunset Maple Gmail address, your address, so I can get these out to you ASAP. So the second thing I wanted to do, and I don't think I mentioned in the beginning of 2 things, a real quick video, is I wanted to show you a quick, fun, not even a haul, but a find that I found in my house. So put these to the side. Now I'm going to preface this with, yesterday I had a bit of a disaster. Woke up at 6:45 to my closet. What do you want to call it? The shelving unit that holds all the clothes crashing to the ground. And I'm going to enter a picture here of what it looked like after it fell. Quite devastating, especially at 6:45 in the morning to have that fall off the wall. It started creaking. I heard, I was up, I actually, TMI, I was going to the bathroom, which is like right next to the closet. And I heard a creaking, like the floor was settling, and I'm like, that was really loud kind of pop. And then it creaked again, and I'm like, wow, that was really loud, like sounded like a 2x4 was breaking. And then crash. And I get up and I see, just a plume of dust coming out of the closet from when it spooshed down. And yeah, so there it was. So we had to fix that yesterday. And there's a whole bunch of books and binders on the top and things that I hadn't seen in decades. So I found a binder that was from when we moved in here, 2002, and it was a ideas for decorating the house. We had built this house, so it had nothing. Blank walls, no curtains, everything. So I had a whole binder of ideas to furnish this new house. So in the back of the binder, I ran across these. And I mean, not too exciting, paint chips. They are from 2002 though. I found it kind of interesting. January of 03, I'm thinking is when we're going to get pulled. Ooh, and I just saw lightning. We've been having storms today, so hopefully it doesn't get too loud. This is called Peanut Butter. This was actually the color that went into part of my son's room. You can see maybe see the paint got smeared on there to see that it matched. So we had, you pull a bunch. He was talking about he wanted an orangish color, and he didn't go with orange. Boy, you hear that thunder? Yeah, it's loud. So yeah, so I had found some paint swatches, and they're nice and big, so obviously I'm going to make these into some sort of journal card. But also in that pile of mess, I found a like briefcase kind of thing. It was like a big purse, and Actually found 27 cents in there. Ooh, I'm rich. And I also found some exciting other paint chip kind of things. All right, so you're all pretty aware, if you watch my channel, you're pretty aware of this color swatch thing that I have, and I love using them. I just used it recently for those chip things, and I thought I had them over here, to making those chip strips. So I found 2 more. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the first one I found was a Pantone Van Sun matching system. This was from 1991, 92, 93. These were my, and I mentioned it from the other one. My husband was a art director, graphic artist. So he had a lot of these for work. And, you know, before you could probably pull this up on the internet, you had to have matching little things here. So this was from 92, 93 that we had. But look how fun these are. A little bit smaller than these. These are a little bit bigger, but these are a little bit smaller. This is actually more like Benjamin Moore to actually paint your house colors, whereas this is Pantone, which is, you know, Pantone, every color that's existing. But what was even more exciting is when I got past these metallic ones, these pages started being not shiny. They're a matte finish. Like, oh, the Angels Done Sung kind of deal. That looks like it's been color faded a little bit, but just like, oh my gosh, like so exciting. So I found this one, too exciting, and then I found this one in there, which was also a Pantone, but look how nice and skinny that one is, tiny skinny. This is a 1995 edition. Then it got a little bit later, and that's a 92, 93 edition. But what I thought was fun about this, besides a whole bunch of blank ones, is they are little squares that are, you know, like a couple colors. So they're like almost like miniature strips. Like how fun would those be, even like to maybe add those with my little mini stamps that I had. But again, Pantone, so it's not just colors of paint, but just all the colors. So much fun. So, so will Lisa be playing with paint chips soon? Probably. I have enough. And of course I got these. But it's kind of interesting how old these are. And yeah, just found them out of the blue. So I was quite excited. So the disaster of the falling shelves and all the clothes. I did purge about 2 bags of clothes too. And donated those. So it was good. It was a good chance to clean out the closet. Found some old decorating books that probably sell on eBay. And yeah, just to clean out some old stuff. But to find this was just so exciting. So a bad day, a bad morning led to a good afternoon find. So, all right, well, that's going to be it for this video. Again, the the announcement for the winners for the letters, and just showing you this fun haul of upcoming things. And yeah, I'm sure I'll probably figure out a way to add these to my bust a scrap kind of video. So, all right, so once again, congratulations to Sandy and Leslie. Don't forget to send me your email address and I'll get those envelopes out to you. And to everyone else, if you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I got lots of fun stuff coming up, I think, in my eyes. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm not sure the next couple days, I usually been doing videos every other day. There might be a couple days in between. My son is getting married this weekend. And, you know, you got those kind of festivities, so it might get pushed back a little bit, but we'll see. All right, well, that's going to be it for this video. As usual, I appreciate each and every one of you that has stopped by, and as usual, I hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye for now.